right now it's just 90. I imagine it'll get to 100 again like it did yesterday.
I think that's being very generous.
What, 100?
No, 90.
Well, it says 90.
Oh, it's been sitting in the shade, yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to get up to 99, so it'll be 100. It says it feels like it's 100 already.
Yeah, it does. What's up, guys? It is Monday. You're probably seeing this on like Wednesday or Thursday, but
It's Tuesday.
it's Tuesday. I think it's Monday because I don't really know what. I was just taking a guess out of 7 there, honestly. It's a busy day, or it's a busy time. We got Summer Truck Invasion this Saturday. It's the 28th at Ennis Motorplex. Right now, Travis and I are on our way to go get the table and a grill. We're not grilling to sell food, but we're grilling so that everybody that's bringing their truck and everybody that's from Cowboys Customs that's working the event has some lunch. There's the man himself. So Travis and I are going to get the grill and the table. We're just nailing out or ironing out some of the small details to make sure that everything goes smooth. So anyways, let's go to Academy, I guess. I don't know how to close that out, not awkwardly.
Well, we'll get to close out with the grill, right?
Yeah, all right. So either Eddie or Victor.
Which ones?
The Victor or the Eddie.
Those.
Or those.
Those.
Yeah. So I did
26?
24 by 14.
26s?
24 by 14.
Some 26s.
24 by 14. James,
All
if
right.
you cover the cost difference, I'll do 26s.
When do you need the money?
So I wrote them down. I stapled them though. I don't know why I did that. So I'm gonna just tally them on there.
So for those of you that don't know, Christian has been on this fence for how long now? Like 2 months?
2 months.
Are you like swiping today?
No, I'm not today.
Tomorrow? Because if you do this, then you're gonna flip flop some more unless you actually
No.
pay.
This is for sure what I'm gonna be set
All right.
on. From what
All right.
from what this gives me is what I'm gonna be set on.
All right, let's see it.
So we're gonna do best
See
2
what
out of
Ken
3.
Block blesses you with.
So okay, so we're gonna draw that one. So I'm gonna put a little tally on it. I don't know which one it is, but we're just gonna put a little tally on there. Put it back in there. Draw another one. Okay, this is the other one, so we're gonna put a little tally on that one.
Why are you telling this?
Cause I stapled it, so I can't see what the name is in the inside without ripping it open.
Okay.
So the next one should win, right? 2 out of 3. So whichever.
Oh, you're doing 2 out of 3. Okay.
Yeah.
I was like, I didn't understand.
So
I got
whoever
it.
gets drawn next is the winner,
Got
cause
it.
it's 1 and 1 already.
Got it.
Come on now. Okay, this one. Let's see what it is. I should have maybe not stapled them. I don't know why I did that.
Makes it feel a little more legit.
Yeah, I just didn't want to like there be
Just
any
to
way
rip
for me to
people.
cheat
Yeah.
and like look at it at the name. Okay. You ready?
Kansai wheels.
So we're going with the Victor.
Nice. That's my choice anyways.
Nice. Okay. So that's what we're doing.
Out of the 2. I think the Eddies would be sweet on 26s, but I think it's that ring on the inside is too much for a 24. It makes it feel too crowded, you know? This is going to look good on either size.
I think I like the Victors. We're going to do Victors
When?
by the end of the week.
End of the week?
Yes.
Dang. What's that tire?
35, 15, 50,
24.
You doing like a all-terrain?
The Venom RT.
Okay.
On that 3.5.
Which one?
Ready lift.
Ready? How much does that go up in the rear? Just a level?
Just an inch. So
Okay.
it does 3.5.
So you're gonna remove your level now?
Yeah, it's just a 2-inch level now.
Okay.
Because if
gotcha.
I just kept it on the 2-inch level, it'd rip crazy.
Yeah.
So that's why I have to go up to a
Long
3.5.
truck and no turning.
Yeah, that's like, so it's still gonna rub though, probably.
Well, yeah, but I mean, what lifted truck that looks decent doesn't rub?
True. True.
Because as you always say,
If you ain't rubbing, you ain't dubbing.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in today. If you haven't seen this truck around the shop for a couple weeks, we got it all finished up except for right now. But I just want to take a second to say shout out to Summer Truck Invasion, Carlos and his wife Nelly for having us out at the show at Ennis. It was phenomenal. Show coverage will be coming soon. If you subscribed from the show, be looking for your truck. The footage looks good. It looks really good. I'm excited to keep working through it. Your secret code for the giveaway is wheelboxes, no space, WHEELSBOXES, all caps. We appreciate you guys tuning in and participating in the giveaway. Enjoy the montage.